What if the next gadget you buy could actually make your everyday life easier? From smart tech to surprisingly useful tools, these gadgets are designed to solve problems, save time, and make everyday tasks a whole lot better. This is RevX, and today we're checking out some seriously cool tech you don't want to miss. Stick around till the end, hit subscribe for more awesome finds, and check the description if you want to grab any of these gadgets.
If you want a smartwatch that looks tough enough for the outdoors but still handles your everyday essentials, this one is worth a look. This rugged military-style smartwatch is built with a durable metal shell and composite materials, and it's rated 5 ATM waterproof, making it ready for everything from workouts to outdoor adventures. It also keeps you connected with Bluetooth calling, message notifications, music controls, AI voice assistants, and even remote camera control, so you don't have to pull out your phone every time. There are over 100 sports modes to track activities like running, cycling, basketball, skiing, and more. You also get features like heart rate, sleep, blood oxygen, and other wellness tracking tools. The 1.39-inch HD touchscreen offers a sharp 360 by 360 resolution, multiple brightness levels, and plenty of watch faces you can customize through the app. And with a 400 mAh battery, it can deliver around 7 to 10 days of normal use, with up to 30 days of standby time. Overall, if you're looking for a feature-packed smartwatch with a rugged design, long battery life, and plenty of everyday functions, this one packs a lot into a surprisingly tough package.
If you struggle with staying focused, this little gadget could seriously change your routine. It's a smart Pomodoro timer designed around the classic 25-minute work and 5-minute break method, with those times already preset. Just flip the cube to the time you want, and the gravity sensor automatically starts the countdown.
If you sell products online, this little printer can make shipping a whole lot easier. The Nelco PL70E is a wireless thermal label printer that works with platforms like Amazon, eBay, Shopify, Etsy, USPS, and more. It can print up to 72 standard 4x6 labels per minute at 203 dpi. And since it uses thermal printing, there's no ink or toner to replace. You can connect it through Bluetooth using the Nelco app, or use USB with Windows, Mac, and Chrome OS. It supports different label sizes from 1.54 to 4.1 inches, so it's useful for shipping labels, product labels, and more. Compact, fast, and seriously convenient for small businesses or home sellers. Check the link in the description if you want to take a closer look. If you've ever wondered what's actually going on inside your ear, this gadget gives you a surprisingly clear look. The B-Bird Ultra X is an all-in-one ear care kit with a built-in camera, letting you visually inspect your ear while cleaning, instead of doing everything blindly. It comes with multiple accessories and 5 soft silicone sleeves, so different family members can have their own hygienic attachment. The rechargeable 300 mAh battery provides up to 90 minutes of continuous use, and it can also be used for visual eardrop application and basic nose or mouth inspection. It's compact, portable, and designed to make at-home ear care easier. Just remember, be gentle and avoid inserting anything deep into the ear canal.
If you're tired of crumbs, dust, and dirt building up inside your car, this little gadget is worth checking out. The Fantic V8 Apex is a compact 4-in-1 mini vacuum that can vacuum, blow, inflate, and even help with vacuum sealing. Despite its tiny size, it uses an 80,000 RPM brushless motor to deliver up to 19,000 pascals of suction, making it great for picking up sand, dust, crumbs, and small debris. It also comes with 10 different accessories, including a crevice nozzle, flexible hose, brushes, and a pet hair tool, so you can reach those tight and annoying spots. There are 2 power modes, with up to 40 minutes on Eco and around 13 minutes on Max. And because it weighs just 1.1 pounds, you can easily use it with one hand. Plus, USB-C charging, a one-touch dustbin, and a HEPA filter make cleanup even easier. It's not designed to replace a full-size vacuum, but for quick car detailing and small everyday messes, this compact gadget can be seriously useful.
If you want to see tiny details that your eyes simply can't catch,
This 4K digital microscope is seriously impressive. The Elecliv EM4K features 4K UHD video at 30 FPS, up to 52 megapixel imaging, and a sharp 1280 by 800 IPS display. With up to 2000x magnification, you can inspect circuit boards, solder joints, coins, gemstones, and even tiny defects with incredible detail. It also supports HDMI and USB output, so you can view everything on a larger monitor or computer while working. And thanks to the built-in rechargeable battery, you can even take it wherever detailed inspection is needed. For electronics repair, coin collecting, or serious DIY work, this microscope puts a whole new world right on your desk.
Want to listen to music or podcasts without wearing bulky headphones in bed? This sleep mask might be exactly what you need. The LC Dolita combines a comfortable sleep mask with built-in Bluetooth speakers, letting you listen to music, audiobooks, or relaxing sounds while blocking out unwanted light. The ultra-thin speakers are designed to stay comfortable even when you sleep on your side, while the soft eye mask helps create a darker, more relaxing environment. It's also wireless, lightweight, and easy to use, making it great for bedtime, travel, naps, or even long flights. If you love falling asleep to music or podcasts, this gadget could be a seriously useful addition to your nighttime routine.
If you want a simple way to keep track of your vehicle, RV, boat, or other valuable assets, this compact GPS tracker could be worth checking out. The Atlas GPS tracker provides real-time location tracking through its mobile app, with updates as fast as every 5 seconds, so you can see where your tracker is almost instantly. Its compact 3-inch design and powerful built-in magnets make it easy to attach discreetly to cars, trucks, motorcycles, and other vehicles. The weatherproof housing also helps protect it from the elements. One of the coolest features is the time machine, which lets you look back at the tracker's location history and see where it has been. You can also create custom geofences and receive alerts when the tracker enters or leaves a specific area. Speed notifications can also help you monitor driving activity. And with up to 14 days of battery life, you won't need to recharge it constantly. The tracker works through a 4G network and comes with an app for both iOS and Android. Just keep in mind that an active subscription is required to use the tracking service. Overall, if you need reliable, real-time tracking for a vehicle or valuable asset, this compact GPS tracker packs some seriously useful features into a small package.
Imagine having a translator that can keep up with a real conversation without constantly stopping to translate. The W4 Pro supports real-time two-way translation across 52 languages and 106 accents, so both people can speak naturally with almost no awkward pauses. Its 3-microphone noise cancellation system helps pick up your voice clearly, even in busy environments. It also comes with listen and play mode for multilingual meetings, plus AI features that can record conversations and summarize the key points for you. And when there's no internet, it still supports offline translation for 13 language pairs across 8 major languages. With up to 6 hours of continuous translation and up to 18 hours with the charging case, this could be a seriously useful travel and communication gadget. If you frequently travel, work internationally, or deal with different languages, the W4 Pro is definitely worth checking out. If you work with tiny electronics, this electric screwdriver could make repairs a whole lot easier. The Fantic E1 Max packs a precise 200 RPM motor with adjustable torque, giving you better control for delicate screws on phones, tablets, watches, cameras, and more. It comes with 50 S2 steel bits covering 12 different types, all neatly stored in a satisfying magnetic pop-up case. The 350 mAh battery can handle over 450 small screws on a full charge, and USB-C makes recharging simple. It's compact, precise, and even won both an IF Design Award and a Red Dot Design Award. If you're into DIY or electronics repair, this is one tool you'll definitely want in your kit.
And that's a wrap. These gadgets may look simple, but some of them can seriously upgrade the way you work, travel, or live. Which one was your favorite? Drop its name in the comments. If you enjoyed the video, hit like, subscribe to RevX, and turn on notifications for more cool tech and useful gadgets. All the product links are in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.